Good morning to everybody. The red rubber catheters in the hospital we can reuse after cleaning and autoclaving. Can be sterilized by autoclaving. Autoclaving is the complete destruction of microorganisms and including its spores by moist heat. Here there is types of red rubber catheters we can be sterilized are one nasal oxygen catheter. Second one, the suction catheter can be used for nasal suction, oral suction, endotracheal tube suction and tracheostomy suction. Then indwelling catheter to intermittent catheterization of the patients. Then let us see the articles which we required for the sterilization of the red rubber catheter. One pair of gloves, one basin of water, soap solution with water, running water source, red rubber catheters, one syringe to flush the catheters, and sterile towel. Let us see the procedure. First, wear the gloves. To protect ourselves from the infection, because this catheter which is coming from the ward, it won't be sterilized, it is just washed. Then receive the catheters from the ward, put into this soap solution for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the catheters, flush the catheters to check the patency of the catheter, take the tip of the catheter, any damage is there. Then rinse all these catheters in the running water. And keep in a clean towel. And let it dry and hang the catheters to drain the water out. After drying, wrap the catheters in a clean towel. Wrap and tie with a thread. Then we can keep into the autoclave machine. This has to be kept in the autoclave machine for 120 degrees centigrade and 20 lb pressure for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn the machine to fast exhaust mode for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, again to vacuum dry for 15 minutes. When the autoclave machine is become cool, we can remove the pack from the autoclave machine and keep in the sterile area. It is ready to issue to the ward. After the procedure, all the articles should be washed and cleaned and replaced in the proper place for the next use. Now, I will summarize the procedure. The sterilization of the catheter under autoclave machine. The articles which is required for this sterilization, one plastic basin with soap solution, disposable syringe, rubber catheter, clean towel, running water source, autoclave machine, one pair of gloves. The types of catheter we can sterilize. The oxygen catheter, the suction catheter, indwelling catheter. Steps in sterilization. Wear the gloves first. Receive all the clean catheters. Soak the catheters in soap solution for 30 minutes. Wash the catheters under running tap water. Flush the catheters to check the patency of the catheter. Hang the catheters for the water to drain. Wrap the catheters in a clean towel and label them. Place the wrapped catheter in the autoclave machine. Autoclave it for 30 minutes under 120 degrees centigrade and 20 lb pressure. After 30 minutes, turn the machine to fast exhaust mode for 15 minutes, then 15 minutes for vacuum dry. Now, these packs in the sterile room can be issued to the wards. Rubber catheters can also be sterilized by using ethylene oxide gas. Thank you.